In this video, I'll show you how to completely uninstall Roblox from PC. To completely uninstall Roblox from PC, the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and close Roblox. Ensure your Roblox app is not running. Close the application by clicking on the X button at the top right of your screen. After that, go ahead and uninstall via Control Panel. To do that, go ahead and search that on the Windows Start menu. You'll find that at the bottom left corner of your screen. So on the Windows Start menu, go ahead and search for Control Panel. Now, once you found Control Panel, click on that from the results. This will pop up on your screen. Now in here, go ahead and head over into the Programs tab. So click on that Programs tab and click on that Uninstall a Program button under the Programs and Features. Now on the Uninstall a Program tab, go ahead and look for the Roblox application and right click on that Roblox application and select Install for that application. Now after you do that, go ahead and delete leftover files. So to be able to delete leftover files, you'll need to open your File Explorer and navigate to C:/program files or C:/program files parenthesis x86. Now search for any folders named Roblox and delete them. After you do that, go ahead and clear cache. Press Win or and type %app data % and hit enter and look for any Roblox related folders and delete them. And the last thing that you'll need to do is to restart your PC. Restart your computer to ensure all traces of Roblox are removed. And that's basically how you can completely uninstall Roblox from PC. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.